Today, we're exploring into the world of creativity and cash. Ever thought about how you can turn your ideas into dollars? Well, stick around because we're about to explore 7 proven methods using a versatile tool called Canva. Get ready to be inspired. Number 1. Quote videos. Quote videos have become a popular trend across various social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. These short videos, often created using tools like Canva, are designed to feature inspirational or humorous quotes. The appeal lies in their ability to quickly capture attention and convey a message in a visually engaging way. One of the key questions that arise with quote videos is how creators can monetize them. There are several avenues for making money from these videos, such as participating in social media ad programs that pay for views or interactions. Additionally, creators can direct viewers to their monetized blogs or websites, where they can further engage with their content and potentially generate revenue through various means like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling products or services. Monetizing quote videos involves leveraging the reach and engagement these videos can generate. By strategically placing ads within or around the videos, creators can earn revenue based on the number of views or clicks these ads receive. Furthermore, driving traffic from these videos to a monetized blog or website allows creators to expand their revenue streams. This can be achieved by promoting products or services related to the quotes featured in the videos, offering exclusive content or memberships, or partnering with brands for sponsored content. Ultimately, the key to successfully monetizing quote videos lies in creating compelling and shareable content that resonates with the audience, leading to increased views, engagement, and ultimately, revenue opportunities. Number 2. Custom candle labels. Creating custom candle labels can be a fun and creative way to add a unique touch to your candle business. With tools like Canva, designing these labels becomes easy and enjoyable. By customizing your candle labels, you can make your products stand out both online and at local markets. These personalized labels not only add flair to your candles, but also help in branding and marketing your business effectively. When you design custom candle labels, you have the opportunity to showcase your creativity and style. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or vibrant designs, custom labels allow you to express your brand identity and connect with your customers on a more personal level. By investing time and effort into creating these labels, you can differentiate your candles from competitors and attract more attention to your products. Remember, in the world of business, every little detail counts, and custom candle labels can be that extra touch that sets your brand apart and leaves a lasting impression on your customers. Number 3. Quiz videos. Quizzes are a fantastic way to engage with your audience, and Canva makes it easy to create fun and interactive quiz videos. Whether you're into pop culture, history, or even niche hobbies, you can tailor your quiz to any topic that interests you. Platforms like TikTok thrive on engaging content, and quiz videos are a great way to capture attention quickly. By incorporating affiliate marketing into your quizzes, you can not only entertain your audience, but also potentially earn some extra income by linking to products or services related to the quiz content. This adds a layer of interactivity and monetization to your creative endeavors. Creating quiz videos with Canva opens up a world of possibilities for content creators. You can experiment with different formats, styles, and themes to keep your audience entertained and coming back for more. By leveraging the power of quizzes, you can boost viewer engagement, encourage interaction, and foster a sense of community around your content. Additionally, the potential to earn through affiliate marketing adds a practical dimension to your creative pursuits, turning your passion for quizzes into a rewarding endeavor. So, whether you're looking to entertain, educate, or monetize your content, Canva's quiz feature offers a versatile and exciting platform to showcase your creativity and engage with your audience in a fun and interactive way. Number 4. Brand identity kits. Brand identity kits are essential components for any business looking to establish a strong and recognizable presence in the market. These kits typically consist of logos, color schemes, and typography that collectively embody the essence and values of a brand. By utilizing tools like Canva, businesses can easily craft these elements to create a cohesive and visually appealing brand identity. This process not only helps in defining a brand's visual language, but also plays a crucial role in shaping how the business is perceived by its target audience. With Canva's user-friendly design tools, individuals and businesses can efficiently develop brand identity kits that resonate with their target market. These kits serve as a visual representation of a company's personality and values, helping to differentiate it from competitors and build a strong brand image. Whether it's a startup looking to establish its presence or an established business aiming to refresh its branding, these kits play a vital role in creating a consistent and memorable brand experience across various touchpoints. By offering these kits for sale, businesses can cater to the growing demand for professional branding solutions and help other companies elevate their visual identity in a competitive market landscape. Number 5. Custom mugs. Custom mugs are a fun and creative way to express yourself or create personalized gifts for friends and family. With Canva, a user-friendly design platform, you can unleash your creativity and design unique mug creations that reflect your style or cater to specific themes like birthdays, holidays, or special events. By leveraging print-on-demand services, you can bring your designs to life without the hassle of inventory management or production costs. This not only allows you to focus on the creative aspect, but also opens up opportunities to turn your passion for design into a profitable venture. The beauty of custom mugs lies in their versatility and appeal as thoughtful gifts. Whether you want to showcase your artwork, share a memorable quote, or celebrate a milestone, custom mugs offer a tangible way to make moments special. By tapping into niche markets or targeting specific occasions, you can create mugs that resonate with your target audience, making them more likely to purchase or gift your creations. With the right design tools and a bit of imagination, you can transform a simple mug into a cherished keepsake that brings joy and adds a personal touch to everyday routines. Number 6. List pins for Pinterest. Pinterest can be a goldmine for those who love to pin. By utilizing Canva, a user-friendly design tool, you can craft visually appealing list pins that grab attention and entice users to click through to your website or blog. These pins act as virtual signposts, guiding Pinterest users to your online content. Once they land on your site, you have the opportunity to monetize this traffic in a couple of ways. One option is through affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Another avenue is through ad revenue, where you can display ads on your site and earn money based on the number of clicks or views these ads receive. With the right strategy, Pinterest can transform from a hobby into a lucrative money-making platform. By leveraging the power of visually appealing pins created with Canva, you can not only attract more visitors to your website or blog, but also potentially increase your income streams. The key lies in creating content that resonates with your target audience on Pinterest, enticing them to engage with your pins and ultimately visit your site. Once you have their attention, you can strategically place affiliate links or display ads that align with their interests, maximizing the potential for earning revenue. With a thoughtful approach to content creation and promotion on Pinterest, you can turn your passion for pinning into a profitable venture, opening up new opportunities for growth and financial success in the digital realm. Number 7. Educational materials. For educators looking to spice up their lesson plans and teaching materials, Canva offers a fantastic solution with its array of templates. By utilizing Canva's user-friendly platform, teachers can easily create visually appealing and engaging resources that can captivate students' attention. With a wide range of templates available, educators can customize their lesson plans to suit their teaching style and the needs of their students. This not only enhances the learning experience, but also makes the content more memorable and impactful. Moreover, the opportunity to sell these customized lesson plans and materials on platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers presents a dual benefit. Not only can educators share their innovative teaching resources with a wider audience, but they can also generate additional income from their hard work and creativity. By monetizing their lesson plans, teachers can not only supplement their income, but also contribute to the educational community by offering valuable resources to fellow educators. This blend of creativity, entrepreneurship, and education allows teachers to make a tangible difference in the lives of students while also reaping the rewards of their efforts. And there you have it, 7 dynamic ways to monetize your Canva skills. I hope you found these methods inspiring and are ready to unleash your creativity for profit. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of Canva. Until next time, keep creating and innovating. Bye for now.